Hey guys, let's dive right into how I do this here. Turn these here panels around the old raker. So I make a little snip right here, guys. Wicked easy, fellas. Alright, I'm kinda into just going over discussions on how people do things. And this is just another way to skin a cat, guys. So you can see I made my crease right there, right? Bang. Now we can dig it right in here. Bend it right around, guys. This ain't no big deal right here. Okay? Look how beautiful that is. We're out here roofing on our table. Bang. Okay, look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? Obviously, we're gonna pinch her around here. Squeeze.